Hi, my name is Kari Capone. Today we're going to sew a button onto your crocheted wrap. To sew a button on the end of your triangle shawl, I'm going to use a contrasting color so that you can see. I'm pulling about 12 to 15 inches of yarn. And we're going to start by anchoring the yarn onto the wrap before we add the button. So find a junction at the end of your seam, and we're going to come from the very bottom through to the front of the fabric. This part will be covered by the button, and we'll just go back down like that, and then back up again. This is sort of like a quilting technique, actually. There. So this just gives us a loose anchor, and now we add the button. This button is made of a coconut shell. Because the yarn is so thick, we only really need to go through once, and I'm going to untwist it just a little bit, and back down, just like that. And then we're going to go back through the fabric from front to back. That looks really cute. Now I'm turning it over, and you have your two ends, and you just give them a little snip. Okay, and we're going to tie a knot. So just like you start to tie your shoelaces, we go under once, then go under a second time. Really lock this into place, pull it nice and snug, and then you're going to do right over left and pull that nice and snug as well. And we can just trim those edges. Okay, and you have a really cute button that can be used to close on any of these triangles in your wrap. The Spring-Summer collection has arrived. Visit kariskits.com to buy the Triangle Lace Crochet Kit. Click the link below to join our VIP club and get a 20% discount code.